Hello everyone, this is Joey from Burtoni Motors. So, where am I at? Well, I'm in probably one of the happiest places that I've ever been. Since I've left my family's house, when I left high school, I've never had a garage. Never had a garage. I lived in New York, didn't have a garage. Lived in Berlin, didn't have a garage. I moved to Detroit, and I only was considering houses with garages. So, this is my garage. It's a single car garage. It's super long. It's not long enough for my truck to fit, but that's totally okay because I can fill it now with motorcycles and things like that. What this series is going to be is basically making this garage usable, right? It's dark as shit in here. That's step one. So I'm gonna hang some lights and we're gonna go through that. But the whole idea is to get this garage set up before November. So then I have a good space in the winter to come, chill, and work on a project bike and or car. If I can get a small enough car that can fit in here, I could have 2 projects at once. So let's go look at some lights and let's start hanging them. So to start this project off, I needed some lights to illuminate this garage. It's a bit dark. So I went to Amazon. Actually, I saw a video from Jake the Garden Snake. If you don't follow him, he's another moto vlogger, way cooler than I am. He just finished a XR650 Supermoto called the Red Pig, which is dope as shit. But he suggested I get that. He put a bunch of lights in his garage. I bought the same ones. It's a pack of 8. They're like 6,500 lumens, which is basically bright daylight outside, and they're LED. So that means that they don't flicker, which is the best thing that you want if you're shooting video on it. You don't have to worry about it. So let's plug this in real quick so you guys can see how bright they are. I've already done this upstairs at my house, just what the fuck are they gonna look like? Bright. So super easy. 8 of them, 4 feet long. They sent me an email an hour after I bought them, yo, this is how you install them, super easy, blah, 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 blah. You can't go wrong for $54. So let's plug it in real quick so we can see how bright it really is. All right, so plug it in. Boom. Look how much brighter it is up against the wall. So I have 8 of these. I'm going to daisy chain them up, down. They all plug in together. It's really simple. Little indent here, plugs into there, then we've got light. Oh, fuck me. All right, so let's bust up the ladder and let's hang this shit. All right, so you should never do this without someone watching you, but I have no friends, so let's see if this works. Basically, I'm going to see if this power outlet up here has any friends, and if it works, I'll plug it in. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, that's cool. Some brighter? Oh yeah, way brighter. I'm looking to see if there's any more outlets up here that I could use. Oh, really? That's okay. This isn't any more outlets either. Alright. So I'm going to drop on down and I'm going to close this garage and see what I should do. Oh, did I mention I fucking hate heights? Oh, god damn it. Where's my beer? Today's video is not sponsored by Berliner Weiss, but I wish it was. Alright, so I'm going to plug some of these in to see how many I can daisy chain. I think I'm only supposed to daisy chain 4 together, which is fine, because I just did 2 strips of 4. Oh. All right, so in this box is a bag full of brackets and actually full of these connectors, which makes it actually kind of nice. So instead of having the looping ones, you can basically just plug in female, the bulb, male, male, female, and it can just become like a giant like 8-foot tube, which I might actually do. Well, I've got a lot of space, let's see. And then these are how it connects. This little metal thing, there's a screw that it comes with, and you plop that bitch into there. Boop! And then these just grab on one side. I'm assuming they just pop on the other side, just like that. That's super fucking simple. With that, and boom. Now you can take it with you. So, I'm gonna go up there and I'm gonna start drilling shit. I just realized something. This light switch does not change the lights up there. Meaning, I have no real way to turn these on and off without having a ladder climbing up there, turning them on and off. So I need to either get like a Bluetooth adapter or a really long extension cord where I can drop down or something like that. You gotta figure that out. That kind of puts a kink in all of this. But it's not bad. It's not the end of the world. We'll figure it out. So, 3 lights are up. I have 5 more to go. Trying to figure out how to daisy chain these using only 2 sockets. What I think I'm gonna go do is, when I run upstairs, I think I have another outlet strip, and that might figure some of the shit out. I pulled the bike out of the garage. It's just kind of getting in the way, and I'm really afraid the ladder's gonna slip and smack the bike, so that's out. But solid amount of lights so far. I'm pretty impressed. Right now, this is bright enough to shoot inside of the garage, and I still have 5 more to go, so it's gonna get brighter. I have a few other ideas, like maybe another like spotlight in the corner so far, but let's see what they look like all the way up. Yeah, let's go guys. It's done. Sounds of angels and whatnot singing. It took about 2 hours to put up 8 lights. The biggest issue was this ladder was kind of a pain in the ass to move around by myself, but look what happens. We are filming inside my garage. It's like 10 o'clock at night or 10:30. Let's check the watch. Boop, 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 boop. 10:52. It's bright enough to be filming inside my garage at 1/160th at f4 at ISO 400. Great film. I think I might put a few more lights in here just to make it a little brighter, but I'm really excited how bright it is in here. Okay, no issues at all. That's a motorcycle. The only issue that I have so far is that the light switch, doesn't actually control these lights or that power box. So I have to figure out either a Bluetooth solution or a really long power cable that comes and drops down, something. I don't think it's gonna be a big issue at all, but this is really easy. This kit was super easy. You basically just drill a bunch of holes, plop the mounts in, lock the lights in, and then daisy chain them together. Easy. You can do it. I believe in you. So, thank you guys for watching so far. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. The next few videos, I'm gonna be really making this garage my own since I finally have one. That's it for right now, guys. Ride safe.